Starting with the name of Allah, the most kind and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum friends, I'm back with my another video. Today we will learn that how am I going to make my CV for a job. You can see here I have this template. I have opened the Canva. You can have this Canva on the Google. Whenever you will write on the Google Canva, you will have the website, or you can download the Canva from Play Store. Guys, I've written in the Canva that CV, and you will have many of the templates. I have this template. I'll just love this template. You can see, first of all, I'm going to change my name here. I will just customize this CV. I'm writing my name Rabia Yunus, and here into photographer option I'm writing textile designer. Now here date of birth, I'm writing my date of birth 5th January. Wait. Guys, I'm writing here the date of birth 5th January 1999 and the nationality to Pakistani. Guys, the contact details I will write afterwards. I'm just writing the Gmail, my Gmail. I'm writing here dunya dot rang dot rangili @gmail.com. Guys, into the career summary you can write your career whatever you want. Wait, I'm just undoing this. Guys, here into the career summary, let's write something very unique. I'm writing talented and experienced. Designer with strong eye for detail. With strong eye for detail and passion for working. For working with fabrics and patterns. Skilled in both traditional and digital designs. Further, I'm writing this. Skilled in both. You can find any of the things from the Google. Whenever you will write on the Google about your topic, you can find the career summary from there. And you can find the unique words from there for your CV, okay? And you can also write from your mind as you want according to your taste. Skilled in both traditional and digital. Designs and proficient in Photoshop and Illustrator. Although I'm proficient in Photoshop and Illustrator, I just love the Photoshop and Illustrator so much. They are very easy and very fun to use. Yeah, obviously you can see now I'm reading this talented and experienced designer with strong eye for. Here I'm giving this space, detail and passion for working with fabrics and patterns, skilled in both traditional and digital designs, and proficient in Photoshop and Illustrator. This you can see of this thing. I'm just deleting this. Let me delete this. Guys, here you can see of this photo. If I delete this photo from here, Guys, I'm making its size smaller and smaller so that I can fit this photo into this photo. So guys, you can see I've made my CV till here. I've written this name, picture, these details, yet I have not written phone number and address. You can see I've written the career summary. Let me zoom out and show you clearly. You can read the career summary from here. And now I'm going to write education. High school, I'm writing Alam College for Women, Sirgoda. And here I will change this son, yet I don't remember. But here in Bachelor of Photography, I'm changing to Bachelor of Textile Design. Guys, here I'm changing to 2018 to 22. 18 to 22. And you just have to give your details here of your high school. And guys, I recommend you to just write your names of colleges and universities. And if you want to write the numbers that are not much required, just write the university numbers, okay? GPA, for example. I'm writing here my university name, and then I will show you. Guys, you can see in the skills, write the skills which you have and fill this, and in the languages you can write your languages which you are fluent with, and in here you can write your experiences. Let me fill this all and we'll get back to you, okay? So guys, you can see this, I have made this CV. You can see I have added this element flower from here. If you go into the element, you can add the flower, and I have added the same flower here. If you click this and you go into this color, you can change any of the color from here, okay? You can see now in the experiences I have added intern designer. You can add your any of the experiences from where you have done the previous job or previous internship or whatever you want. So guys, you can see here I've written intern designer, Stalker textile mill, and the date I have mentioned here. And I've written good organization and task management skills. Worked with the clients to understand their vision and deliver designs that exceed their expectations. Worked on patterns and designs using professional editing software Photoshop to produce high quality commercial designs. Yeah, this is good. And here I've written YouTuber Dunya Rangili, and the date I have written 2023 January, and so on. Guys, be sure to give the link if you are mentioning any of the thing here which you have online. I've mentioned the link here so that they can find it easily. And I've written here down, link is given, complete playlist available on textile design, Adobe Photoshop for beginners, pattern and Illustrator. And you can see here language I have written English 10/10, Urdu 10/9. And you can see I've written here Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, branding, apparel design, production management, easily adaptable, and the numbers I've given here. So you can see I have this CV ready. Let me give you a close look. You can see. Guys, be sure to add here a professional photo. Yet this photo is not that professional, but I had this photo, so I have added. But next time I will be sure to add here a very professional picture, so that my chances of getting a job would be increased. So guys, I recommend you, whenever you make a CV, always update your CV so that you can get a better job at a glance, okay? You can see this CV I have here. Okay, this is okay for me. If it is okay, you can go here into the share and you can download this. Click on download. So guys, this CV is downloaded in your downloads. Let me show you another option from here. If I go into the share and I click here on downloads, guys, I have downloaded this file into the PDF standard. I want this in JPEG, so I'm saving here JPG. So I'm clicking on downloads. Now it will download in JPG form. So guys, hope you had learned it how you can make a professional CV in a very easy way just by customizing the templates which you have on the Canva. Hope you had learned from today's video. If you like, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon. This is Artist Rabia signing off from Pakistan. Allah Hafiz.